Hello everyone, welcome to the Orthia channel. Today we are learn A to Z learning drawing and coloring. So let's start. Sky blue color, white color, orange color, dark green color, blue color, brown color, yellow color, light green color, purple color, red color, biscuit color, pink color. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Red color. A for apple. Orange color. B for banana. Yellow color. C for cow. Dark green color. D for dog. Is pink color. E for elephant. Black color. F for frog. Blue color. G for grapes. Light green color. H for hen. Sky blue color. I for island. Purple color. J for joker. Red color. K for kettle. Orange color. L for lion. Yellow color. M for mango. Dark green color. N for nose. Is pink color. O for onion. Black color. P for pencil. Blue color. Q for queen. Light green color. R for rabbit. Sky blue color. S for sun. Purple color. T for tiger. Red color. U for umbrella. Orange color. V for van. Yellow color. W for watermelon. Dark green color. X for Xmas tree. is pink color. Y. Y for yo-yo. Black color. Z. Z for zebra. A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. Z.